Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss in 3 stock dividends paid every single week. This is an opportunity for you to stay tuned with us, and it could in fact investment and influence what the future holds. As number one is stocks, the QQY stock. The QQY stock represents just a dynamic investment fund designed to provide investor with the growth potential through diversified portfolio. This activity manager fund strategy invests in a wide range of assets, including the stock, bond, and other security. Capitalize on market trends opportunities. The fund employs flexible investment strategy, allowing to adapt the changing market condition and economic landscape. This is focus on the maximum returns while managing risk. QQY offers investors to participate in the financial market while benefiting from the professional management and expertise. The QQY stock represents shares activity management and investment fund that aim to achieve growth by investing in diverse range of assets. This fund adapts the market condition and seeks opportunity in various sectors, managing flexible choice investor looking for potential returns. QQY stock price today is $29.69 when I was recording. QQY has a dividend yield of 82%, 95 and paid $24 per share in the first year. The dividend is paid once a week, and the last ex-dividend date was February 20, 2025. Guys, number two, WD stock. WD stock represents shares of company identified by stock ticker is WDTE. This stock trades a major exchange and analyzed by investors seeking to understand its market performance. Investors look at the various factors such as company financial health, revenue growth, earning reports, and industry trends, assess stock potential. Notable metrics include the price to earning, the PE ratio, the dividend yield, and market capitalization. Additionally, the recent news such as product launches, partnerships, or changes in leadership can significantly impact the stock value. Analysis may also provide the forecast on the stock future performance based on market condition and company fundamentals. Or understand WD stock involves through examination of both quantity and data and qualities and insight, helping us navigate their potential investment risk and rewards. WD stock price today is $38.69 when I was recording. WD has a dividend yield of 51% and paid $19.73 per share as the past year. The dividend is paid once a week, and last ex-dividend date was February 2025. Last one, number three, IWMI stock. IWMI stock is distinguished by the strategy focus on emerging industries such as technology, renewable energy, and biotechnology, which are poised sustainable growth in the economy era. Investors around IMW stock of potential achieve impressive capital appreciation. Backed by original market research and analysis, the portfolio reflects the blend of established company and promises startup. OPM balance risk rewards profile. This stock often aligned with the broader economic shift toward sustainability and digital transformation, making them attractive forward-thinking investors. Or IMW stock represent an engaging opportunity and diversified investment strategy by participating in the growth sector that likely depend future global economy. IWMY stock presents a unique investment opportunity showcase and diverse portfolio geared toward innovative and market trends and emerging industry. These stocks have garnered attention for potential yield significant returns evolving financial landscape. IMW stock price today is $28 when I was recording. IMW has dividend yield of 105.72% and paid $30 per shares in the first year. The dividend paid once a week, and the ex-dividend date of February 2025. To the video also talk about three stock. Keep your mind in QQY, WDT, and last one the IWMY. These stock pay dividends once a week. This is a present opportunity that could in fact be investment and influence your financial future. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.